everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be using the two MAKARTT polygels that came in the December of 2021 Your Nail Lab box. So I have already pre-prepped. I'm actually doing a peel off base coat, so I did all of that off camera. I had to soak off my previous set. I went ahead and I put on my extra long no C-curve tips for not polish. Now I'm going to cut these down a bit, and then we are going to remove the shine and all of that stuff. And now when you're checking to make sure that they're all even, you just want to make sure that you line them up cuticle to cuticle and make sure that they're even. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and take a file. This is actually the file that came in the kit, and I'm just gonna reshape the sides just a little bit, just so that they're nice and straight. Same with the free edge. With a sanding band, I'm just going to go ahead and remove the shine from the tips. I'm just going to go ahead and apply some base gel onto all of the nails, because this is what the polygel is going to stick to. And you also want to make sure that you do remove the shine from your nail tips, because the polygel will not stick to just plastic. So you want to make sure that you remove the shine. And then you want to go ahead and cure that for a full 60 seconds. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using the MAKARTT white polygel, and I'm going to be doing like a classic white and pink ombre. So I don't do polygel that often anymore, but you know, with polygel or any type of gel, you have so much more control, you have so much more time to control it. It doesn't dry on you until you put it in the light. So if you are a beginner, polygel is a great thing to start with. And then, you know, if you want to try acrylic, that's exactly what I did. I started with polygel and then I moved to acrylic. But I just have some isopropyl alcohol here as my slip solution. You can use isopropyl alcohol. You do not have to specifically use slip solution that, you know, comes with a kit or whatnot. But I am going to be using the brush that came with the little box from MAKARTT. I don't really use this end often, but I have it out just in case. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the white. And when you are doing ombres, you want to make sure that you start with the tip first. So we're going to go ahead and put the white on, and then we're going to do the pink after. Alright guys, so I applied all the white, and then I went and I put on the MAKARTT pink that came in the kit. That is the name. Don't want to butcher it. But as you guys can see, my natural nail bed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that off, and I'm just going to do a complete white set, and then we'll go from there. I don't know what else I'm going to do, but now I kind of wish I did some French nails. But yeah, I'm just gonna take off the pink, and we're just gonna completely do these in white. Alright guys, once you have applied all of the polygel, let me just fix my camera, you want to make sure that you go in and you cleanse the nails with rubbing alcohol. Polygel is super sticky, and if you do not wipe this off, one, your bits and your files can get super clogged, and two, it's just very annoying. You touch anything and it just sticks. So you want to make sure that you thoroughly cleanse the nails very well, because like I said, you don't want anything to stick, and you especially don't want your stuff to get all clogged up. So I just like to use the leftover rubbing alcohol. If you need more, use some more. You just want to make sure that they're nice and clean. Now we're going to go ahead and get into shaping. Okay guys, we are going to go ahead and shape these nails. I am going to use the file that came in the box. Polygel is super soft. You do not need to put too much pressure. It's not like acrylic. Acrylic is super hard, but polygel or any type of gel is super soft. So let's go ahead and just get shaping. I probably will completely shape these up besides around the cuticle, which I will just lightly go in with one of my drill bits. Alright guys, so once we have shaped, filed, buffed, cleansed the nails again, we are going to go ahead and put on this little pink puffy charm. So these are the ones that have the little magnets that you attach. So I'm going to use the pink one just because I think it would look nice against the white. But that's all I'm going to do for these nails, like I said. And I do have the peel off base coat, so why not just do something simple? I'm going to take these off anyways, and I could probably reuse this.